Hello everybody, this is Al Hassan Shakir, a grade 11 student from Sharjah American International School. Today I'll be talking about liquids. Intermolecular forces between liquid particles are what determine the properties of liquids. Liquid and gas particles are in constant motion. As a result, they are called fluids. Fluids have an indefinite shape. Now we'll talk about the high density of liquids. Liquid particles are much closer together than gas particles. This is what makes them more dense. Different liquids have different density levels. Now we'll talk about the incompressibility of liquids. Liquids are incompressible because the particles are already close together. You cannot pack them more closer together. Now we'll talk about the ability to diffuse. Liquids can diffuse because their particles are in constant motion, just like gases. So they can move around and diffuse with other liquids. One important and unique property of liquids is surface tension. Surface tension is the force that pulls surface particles together in order to decrease the surface area. So in a liquid, the particles on the surface have higher forces of attraction in order to form a sphere, because a sphere has a smaller surface area than other shapes. Now we'll talk about the unique surface tension of water. In water, hydrogen bonds occur between water particles but do not occur between the gas particles above them. As a result, this increases the surface tension, which results in a sphere surface. Now we'll talk about capillary action. Capillary action is the attraction between a solid and a liquid. It can be seen in a hollow tube in which water liquid levels rise. Capillary action is caused by adhesion and cohesion forces. Adhesion occurs between the walls of the container and the liquid, while cohesion occurs between the liquid particles. Capillary action is responsible for the rise of water and other dissolved nutrients in plants, and it is the cause of the viscous or concave liquid surface. Now we'll talk about vaporization. Vaporization is when a liquid changes into a gas. There are two forms of vaporization. The first is evaporation. Evaporation is when a non-boiling liquid at its surface starts to change into a gas. The cause of evaporation is that there are different kinetic energies at different levels of the liquid. So at the surface you have higher kinetic energy because there is no attraction at the surface, only beneath. As a result, the liquid particles at the surface have higher energies and are able to escape from the gas. The second form of vaporization is boiling. Boiling occurs throughout the liquid, not only at the surface. Now we'll talk about the process of freezing or solidification. Solidification is when a liquid changes into a gas. This is when a liquid is cooled. When the liquid is cooled, the kinetic energies of the particles decreases. When it decreases, the forces of attraction between the particles is now greater than the motion of the particles. As a result, they have a more ordered shape and form a solid. You can watch this video on our YouTube channel Chemistryology and on our website chemistryology.webs.com. Thank you for your time.